Here's something your insurance company doesn't want you to know. I'm Christian, owner of Next Auto Body in Simi Valley, and I need to tell you the truth about those preferred repair shop lists. Insurance companies will sign any shop onto their preferred list as long as that shop agrees to two things: give them a huge discount on repairs, and repair your vehicle the way the insurance company wants it done, not necessarily the right way. Here at Next Auto Body, we work for you, not the insurance company. We repair every vehicle to the manufacturer's specifications, the way it was designed to be fixed. That's why California law gives you the right to choose your own repair shop, and that's exactly why Simi Valley chooses Next Auto Body. We stand behind our work with a lifetime warranty on all insurance repairs. Don't let your insurance company steer you to a shop that cuts corners to save them money. Choose the shop that works for you. Next Auto Body, Simi Valley. Call us at 805-581-6170 or visit nextautobody.com.